What's going on, everyone? Welcome to A Few Minutes. So this one is correlating to the warehouse series. So if you're new to the channel, or if you've been with the channel for a while and you don't know, I have 11 playlists that correlates to the warehouse series. So the first one is this one right here. This is just general warehouse information. So anytime I'm putting general warehouse videos up, it's going to be in this playlist. And you will see the same video in multiple playlists sometimes. It depends on exactly what it is, if it correlates with another playlist. So this one right here is a really important one for new selectors. This is before day one or a new selector. Okay, so if you're new in the warehouse, you definitely want to watch the videos that are in this playlist. This one right here I talked about before, video breakdowns. I do not post in this playlist anymore, but the 3 videos that are in there, you're more than welcome to watch. Forklift videos. I do forklift videos, so if you want to go over here and watch the forklift videos, they are in this playlist. The next one are my live streams. So far, I only got 2 live streams, but I plan on doing more live streams, so they will be in this playlist. If you have not seen these 2, go watch them. There's a lot of good questions that came in during those live streams. My motivational videos, although they're not particular to warehousing, they can be. Just the message that I get across is the stuff that I have lived in my life and something that I am doing different, and probably not too many more motivational videos coming out for this year, but they are in this playlist here. Discord, anything that comes through Discord, the pictures or anything to that nature, they're going to be in my Discord playlist. The next one is my case by case. Anytime I either show pictures of my work or video of my work, they're going to be in this playlist right here. And then anything pertaining to the dry goods warehouse that I work at. That way, if you work at dry, you can come over here and look in the dry goods warehouse. And then the next one is the perishable. When I was up at perishable, these are all my perishable videos that I did up there. And the last playlist is what I'm doing right now. That is A Few Minutes. So I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you check out all my playlists. Scroll through those things because sometimes they are at the bottom of the list and people are missing out on them. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.